Morning runners, unfortunately we will have to cancel the race due to red rainstorm and thunderstorm warning. Happens in Hong Kong. You've got a race and you've got a black rainstorm, red rainstorm, thunderstorm warning. They often cancel a race because it gets pretty extreme out here in terms of the rain. So it's 6 AM, no race. I'm not going to go for a run this morning because it's pretty bad outside. It woke me up like 6 times during the night as well in terms of the thunder and the lightning. So hopefully there's better weather later so I don't have to run on the treadmill. So I'm just going to get my normal breakfast on. So we've got bananas, dates, oats, got some almond milk and some vegan protein powder. This is pretty typical day breakfast for me. I blend it up into a smoothie. Quite a thick smoothie because of the oats. Now normally when I'm in hardcore marathon training, I'll put a lot more bananas in, up to 10 sometimes, depending on how the training is going and how many miles I'm doing a week. So a few hours after the race is cancelled and we've got sunny skies, got the sunglasses on. So I'm going to head to the fruit market now and get some fruit for the weekend and indulge myself. Picked up some dragon fruit, got some papaya in the fridge at home that needs to be used. So after I run this afternoon, I'm going to make a papaya and dragon fruit smoothie. For this smoothie I've got a papaya, 2 papayas and the dragon fruit. So this is dragon fruit that I bought from the wet market earlier today, and some papayas that I had in the fridge. So I'm going to blend them up with a little bit of water and that's about it. A really good drink after a 10-mile run.